For controlling XY axis you need 2 scrap DVD drives. 2 stepper motors. Here I use 28BYJ48, which is a unipolar stepper motor. Arduino SG90 servo. Pin assembly. Circuit connections are shown in the figure. Here is some mechanism for controlling XY axis. You can use any of these to your design. Rack and pinion. Rotating rack and pinion. You can find these with stepper motor fitted to DVD drive. It is a bipolar stepper. This is pull and belt. This is string and rubber which I used. The basic assembly of 2 drives are shown in figure. Here is code for Arduino. Create your design in Paint and save it. You need Inkspace software with Unicorn extension which used for generating G-code. Follow these steps in video to generate G-code. Inkspace have some errors that shit X0 and Y0 away from page, so you need to adjust your design accordingly. You can see code file online. Adjust the size of file, not greater than canvas size which is 40 mm by 40 mm. After generating G-code, open command prompt and give commands to Python script, which reads G-code file line by line and send it to Arduino.